Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the beFree Sound 2.1 channel Bluetooth tower speakers. These sleek towers bring a whole new level of audio to your space. With 2.1 channels, they deliver a dynamic sound that's perfect for any event or a cozy night in. The connectivity options are impressive. Bluetooth capability means you can easily stream your favorite tunes from any compatible device. Not to mention, it comes with an optical input and coaxial input for a versatile setup. One standout feature is the built-in microphone, making it a fantastic choice for karaoke nights. The package includes a remote control, giving you the freedom to adjust settings from anywhere in the room. It's all about convenience. The 110V 60Hz 500 mAh power supply ensures a reliable and consistent performance. The tower design not only saves space but also adds a modern touch to your home. In summary, if you're looking for a speaker system that combines excellent sound quality, Bluetooth connectivity, and the added bonus of karaoke, the beFree Sound Tower speakers are a solid choice. Sit back, relax, and let the music take over your space. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.